Okay, so we got our fresh installation of Ubuntu 25. We're dual booting with Windows. All that really doesn't matter, but it's going to ask you, do you want to share your system data? Absolutely not. And then finish. And then we're going to open our web browser, Firefox. Should be able to just click it once, I thought. Yeah, it's still thinking. Okay. And then we're not going to worry about all that. Let's see. We will go Ubuntu Studio. Okay. So you go to their website on Ubuntu Studio. Okay. And we've already downloaded Ubuntu. We don't want Ubuntu Studio. Don't want KDE Plasma? Use Ubuntu Studio installer. Click the link on here. Boom. Open this page. It tells you Ubuntu Studio installer can benefits any installation of Ubuntu or its official flavors. Blah, 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 blah. Installing. To get the Ubuntu installer, you first must install Ubuntu. Once you have done that, simply open the terminal and type in sudo apt install Ubuntu Studio -installer. Right there. Just copy that. Copy. And don't we have a shortcut to the terminal over there? Boy, that'd be really nice. The hell is our terminal? There we go. Okay. And we'll paste it. It'll probably ask for our password. And of course it does. And as soon as it does that, it'll do a bunch of stuff here. It'll ask you to say yes. Why? And you probably have to answer why a few times. It's a pretty large group of apps and packages. It'll take quite a while. But if you were to install these all individually on your own, it would just take forever. So it's a pretty good way to get this stuff done. Okay, so once it's done doing that, now we can come in here and we'll be able to go and see. Open this up and we'll see. We should see a ton of stuff. Well, actually, no, we don't. We'll see the audio configuration and the studio installer. Okay. And it's going to take a little while for it to do this. And it will start to, I think, do everything. I don't think you'll need to enter password or anything. So, the package information successfully refreshed. Okay, close. And then now it's building the package table. I mean, this is quite a bit of stuff. It's really quite a bit. And then you need to pick what you want. Select or deselect packages to modify the installation status. Select or deselect packages to modify. Note, installing Ubuntu Studio Pulse Audio config will remove pipe wire configuration. I don't know which one it is, but I'm going to guess it's this one here. You need to select it. Installing Ubuntu Studio Pulse Audio config will remove pipe wire. Okay, I don't know. We'll click that. Continue. And then your password. And then it will start doing that. Okay, that takes quite some time. Click close. And it does it again. Alright. I don't know why it's doing that. Select or deselect. Close. Alright. We'll go ahead and close the terminal. So let's see if we have installed everything successfully or not. Yep, you can see all the packages here. I don't know. Your system and or user configuration is not optimally configured for audio production. In order to fix this system, a restart will be required. Then we have a boot screen here. You can see that we have Windows Boot Manager on there. So we're dual booted. So that's all good to go. Alright, when we get here, that's a lot of stuff. So the audio one here, let's see what it says now. Okay, password. Okay. So, anyway, we'll see how well that works. But that's what you got to do to install the audio and all of the other stuff. And you end up with lots of stuff. Blender, curve view, Darktable, some CD thing, Digicam, Display Cal, Document Viewer, ebook editor, Odyssey, Camera, Calibri, the GIMP, GNU, ImageMagick, Inkscape, K3B, Harana. Is that like a version of Hydrogen? It looks like a hydrogen drum thing. Karita, which is an Illustrator. Firmware Updater, Entangle, FMIT, Font Manager, PicoPixel, Plume Creator, Q Light Control. I mean, it's just like endless. OBS, Metronome, tons of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff. So anyway, a lot of the stuff we'll never use. So there you go. That's how you install the Studio package on regular Ubuntu.